Hey guys, it's me, Simon, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own website with Wix. So, I finally got some peace and quiet and I'm able to make the video and I stopped having problems with the thing not loading. So just in case it happens again, I have it, it's already loaded. So here's my page. I have my editor, the blog. But you can press the blog button. You can, do some stuff with your blog. I can create a post here, and you can manage posts here. So here are our shoutouts. I can, it sends automatic emails, so I write an email, and well, I didn't really write it. It did it for me. So I have it here. It'll send emails to people when something in particular happens. So here's our upload page. You can upload anything. I haven't uploaded anything yet. I think I put a link in there, but not through here. So here we have our ad market. Here well, I already said that. So here are all the apps that we can use. Most popular apps. I haven't seen that before. So yeah, I have Wix blog. It came with my my website template. It already had it in there. So here's our ad button, our ad thing, whatever you call it. I looked at members, you can give each member a private account. I already have it with my template. I love this template. So you can make your own online store. There's the blog I already have. Some extra stuff. There's this menu. There's a contact, social, music, video, check box, button. I don't need to go through all of them. You guys can read. Alright. So let's go over here. It's our background page, your videos and pictures and colors you can put in the background of your website. I think it's right here or something like that, or right here. So behind all the stuff that you put there. And then we go here. This is our overview. You have the home, our page. Anyway, so after you're done with that, I have introduced you to our little thing right here, and you can go to the preview. So now you can see what your site looks like in real time. Sometimes you have some problems where that happens, but otherwise we're okay. So weird. So thanks for watching, guys. That was really weird because I didn't really do anything besides press the preview button. This is not what my site's supposed to look like, but whatever. Have a nice day, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment down below about what you think about my video. I'm going to be doing a vote on what you think my next video should be. I really want to hear you guys' I keep messing this up. You guys' opinion on what I should do, what you liked about this video, or whatever. So have a good day. Bye.